totally snorted.
Snort. Again. You gotta do your hands up. It's really
I don't want to do my hands.
No.
This smells terrible.
I know, I hate that. That was the worst in those haunted houses in Halloween Horror Nights. I'm like, okay, the fog is killing me, yo.
Yeah.
That's cool! That's kind of the best part.
Yeah.
Like, wee! Oh, that's fantastic.
I like whenever we go like upside down,
like,
down, because seeing like the entire city's cool.
Yeah, it's like, wee! Awesome.
Yep.
That was fun. I'm glad we drove it now.
Yeah, this is totally worth it.
Totes worth it. Chili's. Molten lava cake. See, we were in a volcano. We have to have molten lava cake.
Yeah, exactly.
It totally makes sense now. I'll have to tell Tracy to get down further. Same song still on. He's like, no, and I'm like, bye.